Is Dr. Sheth's sunscreen the holy grail everyone's raving about, or just another overpriced skincare fad? Let's find out. First, we'll dissect the claims. Dr. Sheth's promises broad-spectrum protection, a lightweight feel, and suitability for Indian skin. But does it actually deliver? Application is key. We're applying a generous 2-finger length amount, making sure to cover every nook and cranny. Pay special attention to the easily missed areas like your ears and neck. Let's talk texture. Is it greasy? Does it leave a white cast? This sunscreen is known for its quick absorption, and we'll observe closely for any residue or discoloration. Now, the real test, effectiveness. We'll be checking for shine, stickiness, and how it feels throughout the day in humid conditions. No one wants a sunscreen that feels like a mask. SPF is paramount. Dr. Sheth's claims a high SPF, and while we can't lab test it here, consistent use over time and observing how your skin reacts to sun exposure is crucial. If you notice any burning, it is an immediate red flag. Finally, let's compare. How does it stack up against other popular sunscreens in terms of price, ingredients, and overall performance? Consider your skin type and budget. So, is Dr. Sheth's sunscreen a scam? The verdict: it depends on your individual needs. It has strengths and weaknesses, and whether it's right for you is something you need to test for yourself. Do your research, read reviews, and most importantly, protect your skin.